So for today's video, I'm going to create this look using only Rare Beauty products. This is the first time I'm going to use Rare Beauty, so if you want to know what I think about this company, stay tuned. Alright guys, so I have all the Rare Beauty products here in this box. If you guys want to buy anything from these products that I'm going to show you, there are links in the description box. I would appreciate it if you use them. They are affiliated, so I'm getting a small portion of your purchase. That will surely help my channel, and I appreciate you so much. Okay, so let's see what we have in the box. I know that I have a prep. This is the mist, since it says that it primes. Let's use it. There is oil floating on top, which surely make you glow and shine. It says it primes, sets, refreshes skin. I have nothing on my face. The mist is not bad. The smell is not bad. It smells clean, but it's not overly scented. Next is the Always an Optimist Pore Diffusing Primer. I think it is new. I have pores here, visible pores on my nose and around my nose. That's the most visible when I wear makeup, especially if the concealer or foundation is not good. It feels like it has silicone, but I'm not sure. It mattified my skin. You can't really see anything, so you don't know when to add more. So I'm just gonna add more on my exaggerated pores here on my nose. We're testing this product. Might as well get the use of it. My face is smooth. Also, it gave me that mattifying effect. I like that. All right, next is the foundation. I got 250W Warm. I haven't tried it. It says that shake well. If they want you to shake it, it means that it's very watery. I like that. And there's the duffel applicator, but I like a pump better. Okay, for sure this is going to be a very light coverage, so I'm gonna put extra. I am surprised that it is not very light coverage. It's actually in the medium coverage, and I think it's buildable. So I'm going to put a little bit more around my mouth. You guys know I have grayness around my mouth, so I need extra coverage. I'm really excited to try all these products because Rare Beauty is inexpensive. They're very affordable, and the quality is more than what you pay for. I think it's amazing that they didn't put up the prices, so a lot of age groups can actually afford these products. I also like that she didn't just cater to younger generation, she catered to everyone, because this foundation, this is for all ages. It's good for mature skin, for younger skin. For the concealer, I also choose 250W. It's so cute because it's a smaller version of the foundation. I've never seen a concealer applicator like this. It's slanted, so you can actually apply concealer like this, or you can apply this way. Very, very innovative. So I put concealer on my eyelids because I didn't get the eyeshadow primer. You know, I'm not really into eyeshadow primer. I always just use MAC Paint Pot, to be honest. And if I know that I have to cater for the eyeshadow needs, like the formula should be in a specific eyeshadow primer, I'll do it. But most of my eyeshadows, they work pretty well with MAC Paint Pot. Concealer is also a good option for priming your lid. Concealer also will cancel out all the discoloration on your lid, and it will match the rest of your face. So I didn't get any contour bronzer. She doesn't have those products. I'm going to use the Tantour Contour and Bronzer Cream from Huda Beauty. This one is in the color Light. All right, next is, this is the Soft Pitch Dewy Liquid Blush. I got the color Joy. Be careful with this one because a little goes a long way. I learned my lesson. Joy is like a coral shade, combination of pink peach. Alright, so that's the blush. This is the Positive Light Liquid Luminizer. This one is in the shade Mesmerize. I haven't tried this one. Oh yes, I did. I got a sample. Oh wow, it's very natural. Okay, that was really nice. It looked natural, so I really like that. Okay, next is, I didn't get the powder. I'm just gonna use ColourPop. This one is the No Filter Setting Loose Setting Powder in peach. I'm gonna use a puff. This puff is from Amazon. If you guys are interested, I'm going to link it down below. Wow, look at that. Now the color is showing. It's not just shiny. Next, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. This is the Brow Harmony Pencil and Gel. Cool brown and cool brown. I think this is the color that Selena uses, so I just got it. And I'm going to use the mirror of the eyeshadow palette that I got. This one is the Discovery palette, and true to myself, I think this one is the latest eyeshadow palette that she released. So cute packaging. Okay, there's no spoolie for this eyebrow pencil. It's a dual ended. That's the pencil, and this one is the brow mascara, and it's tinted too. Wow, okay. Oh, I like this shape. It's like a teardrop shape. This is very similar to Charlotte Tilbury, so I'm using the tiny tip to draw hair-like strokes. It's a nice color. Actually matches my hair. This brow pencil is very soft. I love the color of this brow pencil. Okay, next I'm going to use the other end, which is the brow gel. Okay, so for the eyeshadow palette, this is the palette. It looks so cute. Ta-da! There are 7 shadows. The 7th shadow, the middle one here, is glitter, pressed glitters. So if you don't want glitters, this is not the palette for you. I think she has 2 more palettes that don't have glitters. Okay, I'm gonna start with MAC 221. I'm going to get the peach shade right here. This one I think is genuine. This is going to be my crease shade. All right, next shade, I'm going to use this brown right here. It's a warm brown. The name is Loyal, and I'm gonna use the same brush. Blending it outwards right here. With the same brush, I'm going to pick up this color right here. It is called Undeniable. It is a cool brown, and then I'm going to put that in the inner corner right here. See that difference? It enhanced the bridge of my nose. This is basically a contour shade. It's beautiful. Okay, next I'm going to use my finger and take this shade. This is called Passionate. It's so pretty. It's duochrome. It reminds me of a Pat McGrath eyeshadow. Going to use Give Me Glow Harder Glitter Shadow Primer. Maximize that duochrome effect. When it's a little bit tacky, it's ready to go. I'm going to use a tiny flat brush. This one is from Swatch. It's a Filipino company. So pretty, look at that. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing on my other eye. Alright, next I'm going to just flip this flat brush and then use this light shade right here. This one is called Positive. Put this in the inner corner of my eyes. Put that a little bit under eye as well. Just 1/4 of my eye in the inner corner. For my under eye, I'm going to get this shade again, Undeniable, the cool toned brown. My under eye, connect that outer corner. And then I'm gonna get the flat brush again. I just wiped it. And then I'm gonna get the gold shade. This one is Pure. I'm going to run that here. This is not gonna be a very Selena Gomez look. I'm not saying that. She wore this look, you know. If there is no liquid liner, she loves liquid liners. I actually like this kind of brush. It is a brush, it's not a felt tip. Feels like it's a Japanese brush pen, and it's so easy to work with when you're doing really tiny line. Let me show you guys. It's so tiny, and I made that really quick too. This is nice because I can draw. See how tiny that is? Very easy to use, very black, very pigmented. Okay, so Rare Beauty doesn't have mascara. That's why I didn't get it. Okay, I really love this It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. And for my under lashes, I'm going to use MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash. A lot of people like this mascara for under lashes, and I'm one of them. Next is lips. Would be nice to have like a really red lip. Okay, I'm gonna go with the red shade. Smells really good. Okay, I love the shade. This lipstick is for someone who likes just a tint. If you go heavy on the application, it could go very uncomfortable. Like right now, I put a little bit too much because I want that opaque effect. I feel that this one is actually different from this one. When I use this, it is very opaque and I didn't need a lot cover my lips, so it's not patchy. This one went a little bit patchier, so I had to put more than I wanted. And now it's a little bit, it's not very uncomfortable, but you know that there's a thick layer on your lips and you can feel it. It's a little bit heavy. Then lastly, I'm going to spray. It really smells fresh, like spa. Smells delicious, like salad. Alright guys, so this is the look. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. Let's start with the setting spray. I like this setting spray. I don't see anything bad about it. Just depends like how it's gonna look. After a few hours, I am going to keep this one. For the primer, this one is the Pore Diffusing Primer. It's fairly new. It's pretty good. My pores are gone. So usually my pores very noticeable on my nose with any foundation and any concealer that I use. But with this one, pretty good. It did what it said it would do. So I'm going to keep this one. I'm very excited. And for a pore primer, it is actually pretty cheap. For the foundation, it's on the crack around my nose and around my mouth. I really don't like that. I'm not amazed. This is a no for me. I'm going to return this. Same with the concealer. I have a lot of concealers that are so amazing. This one doesn't stand out. I like the packaging, but am I going to use it again? I don't think so. So this is going back. This is the liquid blush, Joy. I love this blush. For the price that you pay, it's really good. It goes a long way. And I like it underneath powder. You can still see it. It's pretty good. It's pretty amazing. So I'm going to keep this one. Let's see. This highlighter, there's no wow effect. It's a highlighter, but it's a very subtle highlighter. It's very liquidy and you can't really see it. Yeah, this is going back. Next is the eyebrow pencil. So you get two products in one price. I like that, and I also like the color of this pencil. It is very affordable for, I like this and I like the idea. So if I have to pack something, I'll just pack this instead of packing two things. I like color very much. It's very suitable for my hair color. This one matches me so well, so I'm going to keep this. I love this product. Next is the eyeshadow palette. I like this eyeshadow palette. This is my first palette from Rare Beauty. I really like it. Wait, I forgot to put the glitters. I'm going to put that in the middle to add that nice shimmer. It's not bad at all. Wow, that opened my eye. For a pressed glitter, it applied beautifully. ColourPop should learn something from Rare Beauty. I think people don't like pressed glitters because of bad formula. The glitter, it doesn't stick on the lids, but this one is different. I like that. Okay, so this eyeshadow palette, I'm definitely going to keep it. I love this shade right here, the duochrome, and I also love the pressed glitters. This is the gold shade. Next is Positive. Next is Loyal. Next is Passionate, my favorite shade, Genuine. Next is Undeniable. And the last one is the pressed glitters, Accepting. Okay, so this is a yes I am going to keep this. This is a really good eyeliner. I love this eyeliner so much. It's so easy to create a wing. It's very black. The brush tip is very good. You can create thin lines and also thick lines. For the lipstick, this formula, it surprises me because it's actually better now. It's matte. So I am going to give this a try. I'm going to keep it just because I love this so much. And this color is not bad at all. I hope they come out with mascara. I also want to see bronzers. I'm also looking forward for some powder, setting powder. Overall, Rare Beauty is very inspirational. When you use it, you feel beautiful because of the words that she put on the products. For the price, you're getting really good quality. Overall, I like this company. Alright guys, so this is the end of my video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel. If you're not, hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!